Happy 2021. It's strange to say that. Finally out of 2020, and hopefully this year will be a little easier than 2020 was. But we're at a good point now. So we're going to get going with what we were doing before we went out on break, and that was division. And we're going to continue working on that today with more of a review. We're going to be taking two-digit numbers, dividends, and dividing them up by a single-digit divisor. There may or may not be a leftover. Looking at our first type of problem here, we have a dividend of 88, a divisor of 6. We need to think about divide, multiply, and subtract, bring it on down and bring it on back. So our first step here being divide, will 6 go into 8? It will. It'll go one full time. Multiply, 1 times 6 is 6. I'm now on subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. The B stands for bring it on down. If there's a number that hasn't been used yet, we need to bring that down and pair it with what was left. So now this forms 28 instead of 2. Once I get to the bottom, I go back up to the top and start over. Now what am I dividing? 6 into 28. That'll go 4 times. Put my 4 up. I multiply 4 times 6. That's 24. I subtract. That gives me 4 leftovers. And I need to check. Bring it on down. I do not have a digit here, so there's nothing to bring down. This can serve, I can check to see is this a sensible remainder. Sensible meaning it's less than my divisor. 4 is less. I could not make another group. So that stands as my remainder. And my quotient is 14 with a remainder of 4.